Hello, it's me, Info Expert Pro. When last did you make okpa? Did you know okpa is very easy to make? Let me show you. Just very few ingredients and you will eat the most delicious okpa ever. Let's go. Are you surprised? Just your okpa flour, your salt to taste, red fresh pepper, palm oil, and your water to mix the food. So let's go to the kitchen and cook. Before we go cooking, let me let you know what this okpa flour is about. So okpa is Bambara seed. Okay, so when you make okpa, you made Bambara seed pudding. So this is the seed that you will process, and grind to eventually get the okpa flour. Just for you to know where the okpa flour comes from. Let's talk about the ingredients. Here we have the banga oil, which is the palm oil, and I have the red fresh pepper, and here I'm using just one. In the middle here is your okpa flour, and the next one is salt. This is all we need. Let's go cooking. Now measure 4 cups of okpa flour. After measuring it, then you have to pour it in this bowl. This is where we're gonna mix everything. Next, measure 1 spoonful or 2 spoons of palm oil into the okpa flour. Mix it with your cooking spoon. To mix properly, you have to mix actively with your fingers until it becomes this way, properly mixed into the flour. Next, add 2 cups of lukewarm water. Mix it until there are no more lumps. You can mix it in any of these 2 ways, either with a paddle or with a mixer or with a finger. All you need to do is to get the right consistency. We're done mixing. This is the right consistency. If you don't get the right one, you have very hard okpa or very soft okpa. So this is the right consistency to have that soft okpa that you will love. Next, cut the red pepper and add it to the okpa mixture. Next, add salt to taste. Mix thoroughly and then get ready to pour it into the cooking plate. Pour into all the cooking plates that you have until the bowl is empty. Cover the cooking plates and get ready to put them in the pot. First, add water to the cooking pot. Next, transfer all the cooking plates of the okpa mixture to the cooking pot. Now, move the cooking pot to the burner and cook for 1 hour. 30 minutes later, if you have this quantity, you have to move the ones on top to the bottom and the ones at the bottom to the top to make sure it cooks evenly. In addition, add more water so the pot doesn't dry and burn. Afterwards, cover the pot and wait for the last 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, you open the pot, you check whether the okpa has cooked. You use the base of the cutlery to dip into it, and if it comes out very smoothly, it means that it's properly cooked. We did it! It's time to take out the okpa from the cooking plate and put it in our regular plate for eating. Oh la la, look at how it looks. Isn't this looking so delicious? Oh, amazing. So easy to make. Now go ahead, cut your okpa in pieces for eating. Oh, it's so delicious. Tell me how your own tasted after cooking. Mine is so delicious. Thank you for watching.